everyone, this is Roxy from Evangel. Today we are here at LIUGONG factory and it's the end of the year, so there are many machines ready to be shipped to different countries around the world. So let's come with me and take a look. So this is the LIUGONG 9027FZTS, which is one of our most popular and best-selling mini excavator. It is also called the baby excavator because of its smart size and great performance. Now let's first start with our bucket. This bucket offers a standard capacity of 0.08 cubic meter, which is perfect for precise loading and digging. And what's impressive is about its working range, with a maximum digging reach of 4,757 millimeters and a digging depth of 2,857 millimeters. These machines deliver a capacity well beyond its compact frame. And what's more, the dumping height of 2,800 millimeters makes these machines even much more efficient and easier for loading trucks and bins. Now let's take a look at the boom and arm. The 2,080 millimeters boom and the 1,300 millimeter arm work together to provide excellent flexibility and control. Also, combined with this spacious low-effort cap, the operator can work accurately and comfortably all day. Now let's take a look at the engine. Powering this machine is the reliable Yanmar engine. It delivers 15.2 kW of clean and efficient power while fully meeting the Tier 4 emission standards, which means you can get both great performance and sustainability. Now let's take a look down at the tracks. The 300 millimeter shoe width ensures the stability on different terrains. This design allows these machines to move smoothly and work confidently, even on very tight and challenging spaces. So all of these features make this baby excavator a reliable partner. So whether it's urban construction, landscaping, or farm work, this baby excavator is always ready for your job. So this is today's introduction, and if you are interested in this machine, welcome to your inquiry and we look forward to cooperating with you. This is Roxy, thank you for watching and see you next time.